Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn Jenkins CI/CD pipeline step by step. We will understand what Jenkins is, why it is used, what CI/CD means, and how a Jenkins pipeline works in real projects. So let's get started. What is Jenkins? Jenkins is an open source automation tool widely used in DevOps. It helps automate tasks like building, testing, and deploying applications. Jenkins allows teams to deliver software faster and with fewer errors. Why Jenkins is used? Jenkins reduces manual work by automating repetitive tasks. It integrates easily with tools like Git, Maven, Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud platforms. Because of its flexibility and huge plugin support, Jenkins is used in most DevOps projects. Jenkins architecture. Jenkins follows a master-agent architecture. The master manages jobs, users, and pipeline execution. Agents perform tasks like build, test, and deploy. This architecture helps Jenkins scale efficiently. What is CI/CD? CI/CD stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment. It is a DevOps practice where code changes are automatically built, tested, and deployed. CI/CD improves software quality and speeds up delivery. Continuous integration. CI continuous integration means developers frequently push code to a shared repository. Whenever new code is pushed, Jenkins automatically builds and tests the code. This helps detect bugs early in the development cycle. Continuous deployment, CD. Continuous deployment means automatically deploying the application after successful testing. Once all stages pass, Jenkins deploys the application to staging or production. This removes manual intervention and reduces release time. What is a Jenkins pipeline? A Jenkins pipeline is a series of automated steps that define the CI/CD process. It allows you to describe the complete workflow from code, commit to deployment. Pipelines make automation structured, repeatable, and reliable. Jenkins file. A Jenkins file is a file that contains pipeline code. It is stored in the project's source code repository. This allows pipeline configuration to be version controlled, just like application code. Types of Jenkins pipelines. There are two types of Jenkins pipelines. Declarative pipeline is simple and easy to understand. Scripted pipeline is more flexible but complex. Beginners should always start with declarative pipeline. Basic pipeline structure. A Jenkins pipeline consists of stages and steps. Stages represent major phases like build or deploy. Steps define the actual commands executed inside each stage. Common CI/CD pipeline stages. A typical Jenkins pipeline includes stages like source code, checkout, build, test, quality scan, and deployment. Each stage runs only if the previous stage is successful. Source code checkout. In this stage, Jenkins pulls the latest code from GitHub or GitLab. This ensures the pipeline always uses the latest version of the application code. Build stage. The build stage compiles the source code. Tools like Maven, Gradle, or NPM are used depending on the project. If the build fails, the pipeline stops immediately. Test stage. In the test stage, Jenkins runs automated test cases. This ensures the application works as expected. Failed tests prevent faulty code from moving forward. Quality and security scan. This stage checks code quality and security vulnerabilities. Tools like SonarQube are commonly used. It helps maintain clean, secure, and reliable code. Deployment stage. In the deployment stage, Jenkins deploys the application. It can be deployed to cloud servers, containers, or Kubernetes clusters. This completes the CI/CD pipeline. Benefits of Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. Jenkins pipelines increase development speed. They reduce human errors and manual effort. They improve collaboration between development and operations teams. Real-world use case. In real projects, Jenkins pipelines start automatically when developers push code. The application is built, tested, scanned, and deployed without manual steps. This is how modern DevOps teams deliver software efficiently. Today we learned about Jenkins, CI/CD concepts, pipelines, and deployment stages. Jenkins plays a critical role in automating the software delivery lifecycle. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Subscribe to the channel for more DevOps and CI/CD tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.